Alright guys, this is just a quick video on my DIY pulling weight sled for training. So all it is you have a metal bar, you have a rope connected to a box, and you have your weights inside it. So start it off, you have your handle, which in my case is just a metal bar. You can use a wooden handle if you have one laying around and if it's strong enough. So you have a clove hitch on one end and you whip around and tighten it up and neaten it all together. And then you have a clove hitch on the other end, and that clove hitch should be in the center. And the outgoing rope goes to your box, and I've just clove hitched that onto the box. And then in the box, make sure it's a sturdy box first of all. This is no fish box. This is another box you can use. These find these in shops, and they're also, these boxes are pretty sturdy and they're not going to warp under all the weight. In the box I have two 10 kg plates. These plates, they can be supplemented with rocks, stones, sandbags, anything you want to just increase that weight in the box. So how to use it: you pick up your handlebars with two hands and you walk or run backwards, primarily on grass, and you keep doing this until you feel that burn in your legs. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, hope you find it useful. Make sure to leave a like, and thanks for watching.